Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of amazing sea animals, ocean creatures in my aquarium. Let's get started. And Louie the Lobster is going to help me today. I'm going to tell you lots of interesting shark facts while I'm fishing with Louie. Please subscribe and like my video. A grey sperm whale. They are the world's largest toothed whale, and unlike the baleen whales, sperm whales are active predators, eating large squid, large bony fish, and even sharks. A yellow-coloured lemon shark. You can see why it's called a lemon shark. And here's Squid from Finding Nemo. His main colour on his legs and head is green. A purple octopus. This is Pearl. Most sharks are especially active in the evening and night when they hunt. A triple header. Some sharks migrate over great distances to feed and then breed. This can take them over entire ocean basins. A red lobster. A maroon spiny lobster. It has 10 legs and there's 7 sections there in the tail. A pink shrimp or prawn, and it also has 10 legs. A pink jellyfish. A green sea turtle with yellow spots. Did you know that the smallest shark is only 15 centimeters or 6 inches long? The tiniest species is the dwarf lantern shark. It would fit into the palm of your hand. The Goliath groper is an olive green colour. Lots of little white and black spots there as well. It's an orange clownfish. It's Nemo with white and black striping. That'll make you a bit lighter. A yellow starfish with 5 arms and a dribbly mouth. I think I better squirt you out too. It's Dory. Beautiful blue dory with yellow highlights on the fins. It's a tiger shark. It's an olive green shark with grey stripes. The most common shark is the ocean white tip. The smaller spiny dogfish shark is also very common. A shark is actually a fish. And do you know that its skeleton is made up of cartilage, that squishy stuff that our nose and ears are made out of? A blue flying fish. They can really propel themselves out of the water. Megalodon, all those teeth. The biggest shark to have ever lived. An orange lobster. Again, there's 10 legs. A queen triggerfish. Lots of beautiful green and blue colours. Yellow on the fins and around the mouth there, and blue lips. That little pink highlight's really nice too. A red octopus. 8 tentacles. Some shark species, like the great white shark, attack and surprise their prey. usually seals and sea lions, from below. Species that dwell on the ocean floor have developed the ability to feed from the bottom. The giant squid lives in the dark depths of the ocean, which is why it has such a big eye. The zebra shark, green with black spots. A whale shark. This is a browny grey colour with lots of white spots. You can see the ridges in the back there as well. The orange hermit crab. It's quite a character. It uses another animal's shell to make its home in. The great white shark. Look at those teeth. Grey on top and a much lighter colour underneath for camouflage. The prehistoric Amebelodon was the largest shark to have ever lived, and its teeth could grow up to 7 inches long. Relative to body size, the cookie cutter shark has the largest teeth. It can take cookie-sized bites from the flesh of larger marine creatures like dolphins. A green tiger shark. The stripes fade as they get older. They're more prominent on the younger ones. A walrus. Those tusks can grow to 1 metre or 3 feet in length. This 3D puzzle is quite hard to make. A blue Blainville's beaked whale, and you can see it has a kind of beak-shaped mouth at the front. The magnificent blue whale is the largest living mammal on Earth. It is a baleen whale. Whales have a significant role in maintaining a healthy marine environment. It's important that we look after them. This is Bruce from Finding Nemo. He's 2 shades of blue and quite a character. Some sharks seem to eat all the time. For example, the great white shark is always on the hunt. In an average year, it eats about 11 tons of food. The blue shark is a glutton. It will eat until it regurgitates and then go right back to eating. Most sharks eat a meal every couple of days. If necessary though, they can go for a few days without eating. Sharks can store extra energy as fat. A humpback whale. The humpback whale is one of the largest animals on Earth. They are not predatory as they are filter feeders and feed on tiny krill or small surface fish. The blue shark. The tail fin moves from side to side, propelling the shark along. It will pursue its prey for long distances and can even leap out of the water. The hammerhead shark. Aggressive hunters, feeding on smaller fish, octopus, squid and crustaceans. The blue-spotted stingray, with its iridescent blue spots on the yellow body. The spots are a warning sign to other sea creatures that it is poisonous. And here's another little clownfish. What are a shark's main predators? People are responsible for killing millions of sharks each year. Other animals that have been known to eat sharks include killer whales, crocodiles, seals, and even larger sharks. Another sperm whale. Their teeth are conical shaped for catching prey. They have a large brain and the most powerful sonar, which they use to help find their prey in the dark, deep sea. The weedy sea dragon is able to blend in with the seaweed and kelp where they live. They are closely related to seahorses and pipefish. The boxfish. When stressed or injured, it releases poisonous proteins from its skin that may prove lethal to any fish in the surrounding waters. Another orca. Every year they travel large distances between feeding and breeding grounds. A lemon shark. Some sharks need to swim continuously to stay alive. They obtain oxygen for breathing from the water that flows over their gills. If they stop swimming, no more water flow means no more oxygen, so breathing stops. However, some bottom-dwelling sharks have adaptations for breathing. Orcas only eat in their winter feeding grounds and are able to live off fat reserves for the rest of the year, including while migrating. A brown spotted loggerhead turtle. An orange starfish with 5 arms. Another clownfish. This one looks like marlin. And the short-fin mako shark, the fastest shark in the world. Most species of shark eat things like fish, crustaceans, mollusks, plankton, krill, marine mammals, and other sharks. They have a very acute sense of smell that helps them to detect blood in the water from a long way away. The nudibranch is a sea slug and they are carnivorous. Dory is a blue tang and you can see the yellow tips on her fins and tail. A pilot whale and see the white coloured anchor underneath. And here's my mega shark. Lots of teeth. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.